Hello everyone, Namaste. I am Sunita. Welcome to my channel Easy Rangoli. In today's video, I am going to show you how I shoot my Rangoli videos. As many of you have asked me about this several times. So I thought of making a simple video explaining the step-by-step process. And I will also show you the board I use for drawing Rangolis. As many of you have asked me about this. So let's get started.
First of all, this is the space where I shoot my videos. It's my 10 by 10 dining area. You can see my dining table here, but I also use it as a working table for video editing and uploading. This is the cardboard sheet I use for drawing rangolis. Its dimensions are 4 feet by 4 feet, and you can find similar sheets in any plywood shop. The cost is around 1000 rupees to 1500 rupees. They come in different colors. I have been using this board since I started my YouTube channel in 2016. You can see the corners are a bit damaged. But I don't want to replace it because it tied up with many memories since 2016 and holds sentimental value for me. I also have another blackboard, but I use it occasionally. I always prefer to draw on my first board. This is my tripod, which can extend up to 6 feet. I adjust it to its full height and mount my Canon EOS 700D camera. I place the board in the center of the floor on a cloth to protect its bottom from scratches. Then I set up my tripod on one side of the board and mount my DSLR camera on it. I have been using this camera since 2016. And it's still working perfectly. I'm not planning to replace it anytime soon. I don't know if this model is still available in the market or not. The tripod and camera are placed on the side where the light source is located. For me, the tube light is the main source of light. Light should not fall directly on camera or mobile lens, as it can affect the video quality. I tilt the camera to get a nice top view of the rangoli. I also have 4 ceiling lights and use just one pair for extra brightness while shooting. I have experimented with different setups, but this one works best for me. I also turn the camera display towards me so I can see how the design looks while drawing and adjust the zoom if needed. If you don't have a DSLR, you can shoot with a mobile phone also. Before shooting, I finalize my design and draw it in my Kolam book. I keep all the materials like Kolam border, colors and a small cloth ready nearby. When I am ready to shoot, I press the record button and start drawing. It usually takes me 20 to 30 minutes to complete a design. First, I put the dots according to the column design that I am going to draw. Here, I put 3x2 middle dots. In another video, I will explain how to put the dots and how to hold and release the column powder between the fingers. See, this is how my shooting setup looks from the top side. Based on the design, I sometimes draw thick lines and sometimes draw thin lines. While drawing, I keep an eye on the camera to make sure everything looks perfect. I adjust the zoom 3 to 4 times while drawing the design. Sometimes I need to move the tripod also in forward and backward directions so that the design fits perfectly in the camera frame. If any part doesn't look right, I erase it with a cloth and redraw it. Once the design is ready, I fill it with vibrant colors to make it look elegant. I usually prefer yellow and red colors to fill as those colors gives positive vibes. See, this is how our today's Rangoli design looks like after completion. After the design is completed, I stop the recording and detach the camera from the tripod. I transfer the raw video to my laptop. I use Wondershare Filmora software for editing. It's simple and beginners friendly. I have been using this software since 2016. and it works great for me. Once the editing is complete, I upload the video to YouTube.
That is how I shoot and edit my Rangoli videos. I hope this video was helpful and informative. If you have any questions or found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. In my upcoming video, I will share how I prepare my kolam powder and why its texture is so perfect. Thank you so much for watching my video and have a good day. Namaste.